We're here at Monte Rio Redwoods, the regional park, and we're doing this amazing project. We're connecting the fuel load, fire clearance, with those materials to do creek restoration, store carbon, improve habitat, bring back the coho, recharge the water, and it's all simultaneously happening.
Well, this park is such a great example of this type of work because we have a lot of headwater streams that flow down into Dutch Bill Creek. Dutch Bill has coho and steelhead, and important salmonid fisheries, and by arresting some of the erosion up here in the headwaters, we're actually able to improve the water quality downstream and in the main stem of Dutch Bill.
We were really pleased to partner with Occidental Arts and Ecology Center on this project. They trained our staff in implementing this work, and we're going to be continuing working with them in training additional staff and partners to conduct this work at Monte Rio Redwoods, as well as Stillwater Cove and Mark West Creek Regional Park. The culvert under the road was causing erosion and gullying here, so we placed logs and needles of trees interwoven with each other to create a mat that would catch the water and soil. And there is accumulation of soils. It's basically composting in the redwood forest. It's looking really great. It held up over the winter storms. It's holding the soils, holding the water, and supporting the existing redwoods, and you can also see some sprouts of new redwoods growing in the area where we've done work.